Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the screen turn-off timeout in Windows 11. And now let's get started. To begin, right-click on the Start button located on your taskbar and then select Settings from the menu that appears. Once the Settings window is open, navigate to the System tab, which is usually found on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, you will find an option for power and battery. Select this option. This page may take a moment to load all of its contents. After it has loaded, expand the section labeled Screen and Sleep and Hibernate Timeouts. Within this expanded section, you will see an option that says, Turn my screen off after. You can now adjust this setting to your desired time for when your screen should turn off. You can also configure the same setting for when your device is on battery power. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.